Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to return a product on SAVANA in 2025. If you've ever been unsure about their return process or worried about hidden fees, this video will clear everything up so you can shop with confidence. Let's get started. First, open the SAVANA app on your phone. Once you're inside, head straight to the Me section located at the bottom right corner. This is where all your account tools live, including your orders and, of course, your return options. Next, tap on Return Policy. This page gives you a full breakdown of how SAVANA handles returns, and it's worth reading because there are a few important details shoppers often miss. Right at the top, you'll notice something very important. There is no return fee. So if a courier ever asks you to pay a fee during pickup, you can confidently decline. SAVANA does not charge for returns. If this situation ever happens, simply contact their support at support@savana.iq or use the in-app chat option and they'll take care of it and make sure it doesn't happen again. SAVANA also gives you flexibility at the time of delivery. You can keep certain items and return others as long as everything follows the policy. Just make sure all product tags and packaging are undamaged because they do check those before approving your return. One more thing, you must initiate your return request within 10 days of receiving your products. After that window, returns may not be accepted. And remember, a few categories such as lingerie, jewelry, holiday accessories, and swimwear are exceptions, meaning they usually can't be returned. So always double check the policy page before placing your order. Once you've reviewed that page and followed the steps, you're all set. Returning on SAVANA is simple once you know what to look for. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.